Welcome to 3280 East Mall. This beautiful property sits on an acre of land with lush landscaping in a secluded, quiet cul-de-sac located just 5 minutes away from the world-famous Las Vegas Strip, McCarran International Airport, the 215 Beltway, the 15 Freeway, and World Shopping nearby. This bright, beautiful, open floor plan lends itself to pure entertainment. With an indoor and outdoor pond, walls of glass everywhere, it's the perfect environment for entertaining. This home is 5,000 square feet of modern, luxury, ranch-style living. Nearly every room in this home has been remodeled. Let me take you inside. This beautiful contemporary style 5,000 square foot ranch on over 1 acre of land is beautiful and lush with little cost. It comes with its own water rights and well, so it can be kept up green year round. Please call us today for a private tour.